Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and replace negative numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to find and replace the negative numbers. At first, go to the home menu. Select the find and select drop down menu. Choose the find option. Now you find your negative number. Now I am write my negative number and click find all. Then we can see we find the negative number easily. Then go to the replace option. Now I am replace the number and click replace all. Now we can see we replace one number. Now we can see we find and replace the negative numbers in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.